Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Milanese Apple Watch Strap. So you can find these Milanese stainless steel bracelets, so sliding clasp bracelets on Casio, on Apple Watches, on various watches. And what we need to do is to open this clasp in order to slide it up and down. I'm going to use a flat screwdriver, but you can also use various other tools. I'm also going to leave a link to the basic watchmaker toolkit in case you want to use this spring bar removal tool in order to insert it right here and open the flap. So I'm going to use the flat screwdriver for this particular video. I'm going to lift this flap up. As you can see right here, it opened, and now I can slide it down so I can tighten the bracelet in case I need to do so, or I can move it towards the end in order to make it wider. Once I have the correct sizing, I can push it back in. I can hear a click. In case you don't, you can even use the same tool in order to push the flap the other way in order to secure it. Also at the end, make sure to give it a quick shake and make sure that it doesn't slide, and voila, you have done this correctly. In case you need to tighten or loosen it, open it again and then just make some micro adjustments in order to have a perfect fit. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.